I got my jalapeno, my milk, strawberries, Schweppes, and my peanut butter and bread sandwich. Something for that. You peanut butter on that? Yeah. This is probably the dumbest thing I've ever done. On a dare. Besides have you hit me and something like that.
Yeah, it was funny though.
I didn't ask.
Hilarious.
It was funny or not. It hurt. Shut up. Yeah, you bite more than that.
Just do it.
It was like a smaller bite.
Do it.
Shut up, lesbian.
Eat the whole thing and swallow it, and then you can have your peanut butter.
It's hard. It hurts.
What did you expect?
I found it really hard.
You didn't expect it to be hard?
Oh my god.
Just swallow it. Chew it up and swallow it.
Make sure you get those seeds. Seeds where the heat's at. And you asked why my eyes are red.
Run to me, get it.
I'll take the other thing. I'm good now. No. My lips burn.
Ooh, not nice.
I tried to swallow, my gag reflexes wouldn't let me.
So you didn't swallow the pepper at all?
No.
Man, that sucks.
Oh my god, it still burns! Cut.